Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Children, let us start our chapter MSW logo. Let's just recall what did all we have learned in our last class. We have learned what is MSW. MSW is a computer programming language, and the full form of MSW logo is logic oriented and graphic oriented. You use pencil to write a drawing, but we use here something, a triangular shape on the main screen that is used, we call it as turtle. MSW is a version of logo used with Microsoft Windows. The steps to start MSW logo are follows. How to start it? Click on the start button, click on the all program and select MSW logo. What are the different parts available in our MSW logo? That is main screen, commander window, commander input box, recall list box, right? Then we saw about control buttons. What are the different control buttons? Halt button, trace button, pause button, and then status button, and finally it is step buttons, reset buttons. And then what are the different terms used in logo? We use turtle and primitives. As I said, primitives are nothing but the commands which are written in the program to produce the graphics or the shapes, forward, left turn, right turn. And yes, today we are going to learn few more commands or few more primitives. Now, what is it? Exit. If you want to come out of the MSW, I'll just open this one for you. Yes, this is our MSW screen, right? You must not be able to see the commander input box. I'll make it a little more shorter. Correct? This is, yes. If you want to close this one, it's simple. Go to close button, click it. It will get vanish. It will get exit. You will get exited from that. But one interesting way is also there in MS logo. What is that? You can exit from logo by typing bye in the command input box and press enter key from the keyboard and it goes off. Isn't it interesting? Let us try. So where am I supposed to write it? Here, commander input box, here white box, right? In commander window, I have to write in commander input box. What am I writing? BYE. Can you see here, children? I've written BYE and I'll just say enter. See, it went off. This is how your MSW can be exit. I've bought it again back. So from this chapter, what did we all learn? Logo is a program which is used to draw shapes by typing commands using keyboards. The full form of logo is logic oriented and graphic oriented. Logo window is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. Main screen is a graphic area where shapes are drawn. Main screen is the area wherein all the shapes are drawn. Turtle is a small triangle in the center of the main screen. Commander window is the area where commands are written. Logo prompt is the question mark that appears in the commander window. Yes, this is all about MSW logo. Let us try one program. Yes. Okay, here let us draw something. Okay, imagine I want to let me take the turtle wherever I want to. I'll just say first I'll turn it. Which side I want? The right side. What is the primitive for that? R right. Either I can use right RIT or RT. How much angle? I want it only 45 degree. Can you just children see the when I write 45 degree, how much it will turn? Yes. And I want to request children, please learn these angles from your mathematics teacher. Then only you will be able to understand how to make a shape. So I'll say forward 100. See, now it went like this. And then I will say again to turn left side now. RLT 90 I'll give. See, turn. Now I'll say forward 100. I will say again right turn 90 degree. Forward 100. Now I want to bring it back again now. RT, where the mouse has to go, if I want to bring this side, this is left side, this is right side. So I want it to go for the right side. And I want exact proper like this. So it should be 90 degree. It turned. Now I'll say forward 100, not 100, I'll say 200. See, this way, whatever you are giving the instructions, these are the instructions, right? Commands which you have said, go forward, right turn, left turn. So the turtle will do like this and it will keep on going because it has a pencil at hand. And whenever the pencil are there, it will keep using that and keep moving forward. So this is all about your MSW logo screen. So with this, we finish our chapter MSW first chapter, part 1, basic introductions, and for the more primitives, commands we will be learning in our next chapter. So until for this chapter is more than enough. I'll be sending the notes for you people. Just follow that. Until then, bye-bye.